doing a couple things. So we're doing a mixed-use redevelopment in downtown Mesa, looking to transform the entire historic downtown into kind of the next phase of development that area deserves. It's been a long time coming, I think. And in that case, we bought the buildings for roughly $77 a square foot. So the ability to add that value, transform those buildings, and still fit within the requirements of the program is actually fairly simple. We have a couple of other projects, one that I really can't mention in much detail, but it is a multifamily type transaction. Fact pattern is $11 million deal. We'll probably put $9–10 million in renovation of the property, so it works because the area is starting to transform, to your point. And we're doing another renovation right now on a what used to be I would call it was an assisted living facility. It was empty, gutted when we found it. It happens to be across the street from Banner University Medical Center, so we're transforming it into a 98-bed behavioral health hospital. So it exists. You got to find a pretty cheap piece of property to start with, or you've got to be pretty imaginative in terms of how you're going to transform that property into a use that is significantly more valuable than what you pay for it. So the best thing about our business is if you apply imagination to hard work, you typically get a good result.